Good morning, everybody. Guess what you're looking at? A 3D printer. These words you can't read right here, and I'm trying to show you on the screen. Okay, let me see. 3D. Well, anyway, you put in the time and dimensions and all that kind of stuff, but you can't see it. Maybe from a different angle. Anyway, we're making a boat on this 3D printer. Isn't it the most amazing thing you've ever seen in your life? You program it on your laptop, and it prints whatever you want. And we're going to make some three-dimensional art. We're going to make a lot of stuff. You can make a vase, a cup, chess pieces, anything you want. My son bought this 3D printer just about 4 days ago. So, I'm trying to show you the spool that it comes from. It feeds in. This is the bag. See? This is the wire. It could be plastic, it could be paper. And feeds into the machine. And this is some new information. If you've never heard of a 3D printer, we have one in our house. This is the day and time where you can get yourself a 3D printer or get somebody to make something for you. It could be an image of yourself, a life-size image of yourself. This is going to be a boat. And I'm DEIDRE, HATHOR, and I love you. There's nothing you can do about it. Don't forget to subscribe.